side. What I say to them is my responsibility as the president of the federations. All the result we have, I bring the coach, I bring all the players to believe in the projects. The question, do you all still believe in this project? Do you still believe on me as a leader?
Yes.
Because otherwise, I'm willing to step down. I'm willing to stepping down as the president of Indonesian Football Federations because it's my responsibilities. So we're still together.
Yes.
We have 5 matches, 3 homes, 2 away. We need 9 points to be number 3 or number 4, even number 4. So tonight, I want every individual in this room to review what went wrong. If you want to be, stay as a team.